Well, it's hurricane season once again. We're here with Fred Norris from Disaster Plus. And Fred, usually during a disaster or after disasters, you guys are first on the scene.
Yeah, well, Rob, Disaster Plus has been serving the Low Country for over 30 years. Here are some things that should be on your checklist. Non-perishable food and some water, a flashlight, an AM/FM radio that's battery powered or hand cranked, and a first aid kit. If you take any medications, you need to have at least a 7-day supply.
You can go to calon2.com and download our hurricane guide today.